son.
Wow, that cheetah's fast. You know, I'm a leopard, and we're pretty fast animals, too. In fact, I am probably one of the fastest animals in the jam room.
You?
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah? Want a race? Ready?
Set, go!
Hey!
Oh, wait.
Hey, are the DJs having some kind of a race?
Yes, indeed, Pumpkin Seed. And it looks like DJ 1's in the lead, and DJ 2's in second. And DJ 3, am I winning yet?
I'm gaining on you! I'm gaining on you!
Hold up. Gotta make it.
Keep trying, buddy! Keep trying!
Oh, good.
Want some coffee?
You trying to beat us?
Blue skies, white doves, blue skies,
Okay, good
white
job.
doves.
Come on!
3, 2, and 1. Hit it. And make it fast or slow.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2.
1.
Looks like DJ3 needs to speed it up a little. Get it?
Well, that's stupid, but how is it torture?
You'll see.
DJ3 needs to speed it up a little.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, make it stop, Krabs! Make it stop! Mr. Krabs! SpongeBob, zip it! Thank you, Squidward.